Happy New Year! This is Bethany.
And Sarah.
Welcome to Always Dolls.
We'd like to thank you all for helping our channel get to 2,000 subscribers. We've put together a video showcasing crafts you have made from our tutorials.
Make sure to stay to the end for our special giveaway.
18-inch Princess did an amazing job crafting the local bean coffee shop and barista coffee machine. Fellow YouTuber Dolls and DIYs did a fantastic recreation of the Truly Me canopy bed. She also adapted our chic country kitchen sink to be a vanity in her dollhouse bathroom. We are just blown away with her version of the purple kitchen and island bench set. Jacqueline S. did a totally rad job of Courtney's bunk bed and bedding set. Erica Fisher did an awesome job recreating our 80s Pac-Man arcade machine. She told us she plans to make another for the game Mortal Kombat. Donna Landreth followed our tutorial to make a luxurious vintage couch from purple crushed velvet. She also requested we make a version of the My Life desk set. We love the use of the holographic rainbow backboard. Donna also recreated an adorable Instax Mini 9 camera. Instagrammer Mrs. J's Home for Imaginary Girls did an excellent job on Julie's Christmas fireplace. It's so festive. Beth Everett Miser made a delicious heart-shaped Valentine's cake. She also made a festive Christmas mug and our classic mac and cheese. She and her daughter put so much effort into the Easter rabbit basket and Easter treats. Maddie's AG made the cutest gingerbread cookies and hot cocoa drink. Christina Hungerford made her Logan doll some yummy treats from our tutorials. Absolutely amazing job on Kira's animal clinic table, smashing out 3 of them. Izzy B did a fantastic job crafting the AG airlines for her dolls. And Instagrammer Crazy Doll Collector 52 blew us away with her recreation of Mary Ellen's Airstream trailer. Instagrammer Queen Oh So Crafty is a whiz with doll food. She makes excellent versions from felt. AG Joy Studios has a whole doll room dedicated to Courtney's 80s theme. You should check it out. I'll put a link in the description box. Instagrammer Retired with Dolls made a mouth-watering turkey for Thanksgiving dinner, along with a scrumptious mac and cheese. And Instagrammer Josephine7 made a dreamy Oreo cheesecake. To thank you all for supporting our channel, we want to do a giveaway. Here we have a selection of food crafts that we've made over the last year. Treat your dolls to rainbow cake, ice creams, brownies, bagels, and more. Our favourite picks are the classic Aussie Pavlova cake and lamingtons. This competition is open internationally. So here's what you need to do. First, subscribe to our channel. Second, like this video. Then go to the comment box and tell us your favourite AG doll. Entries close January 26, 2022.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon for more miniature crafting fun.